What's up, guys? It's Frank Guy here. So, just staying in the car. I'm at a park right now, close to my house. So, there's a pool over there too. I'm in the car. Just my mom's with my sister, and mom's not a huge fan of parks anymore. Used to love parks, but now getting older and not a huge fan of parks. So, because just get kind of bored with them, and it's not really my thing. Just a lot of other stuff too. But today, stopped at my local gas station, 1266, and I'm going to do a review of Snyder's jalapeno pretzel pieces. So, got this for 99 cents. They had these in these like small bags, and they also had like honey mustard and the hot buffalo wing, which the hot buffalo wing pretzels, I reviewed those like quite a long time ago, and those were like possibly the best pretzels I've ever had. Well, these do look really good. And they also had some of these kinds in like these big bags that are like $1.80 or $1.90. But I wanted to save money, so got 99 cents. So it's really good. So I'm not gonna read the nutrient facts, and I'm pretty hungry. 2.25 ounces, 63.8 grams. Artificially flavored sourdough hard pretzels. So bursting with flavor. So let's see what's up. You can smell it already. It smells like spicy peppers. What does it look like? It has like little tiny pieces, green pieces of jalapeno. So, yeah, it smells like spicy pepper. So, here's shot 3, 2, 1. Pretty good. Spicy though. I didn't kind of think it would be spicy, but it's good though. I'll probably give this an 8 out of 10. It has quite a bit of strong pepper flavor. Definitely is spicy. But not as good as the hot buffalo wings ones, because nothing beats those. Those are the best pretzels ever. So I give this an 8 out of 10. So thank you much for watching. Hope, comment, subscribe below. Peace out.